Mai koutou, ko Caitlin ahau. I am Caitlin.
And morning at Winton School, ko Olesia ahau. I am Olesia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our meeting the 10th of June.
Okay, let's get into pukapuka or te wiki. This week's word is par-nui, which is te reo for read.
As in, here pai kai koe te pānui pukapuka. Do you like to read books?
I love to read books. That's par-nui, which is te reo for read.
Ka pai, under health and safety news. Hi VIZ VESTS. Do we need to say anything, koutou?
No, we don't. Wear them, people.
Okay, it's sausage sizzle, hot chocolate and cookie day. Remember to line up nicely, use your manners and wait patiently while getting your kai.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Steve Adam News. Year 7 and 8 basketball players, no training today due to central cross country.
School council news. Too many running. Save your breath.
Kai kaha to all the central cross country runners today. Full effort, pace yourselves and enjoy the mud. Go you good things.
Birthday news. One birthday today at Winton School. Logan Campbell is turning the good luck 8.
And tomorrow Georgia Marshall turns 8 and Eva Cubitt turns 7.
Rafano, kia koutou, happy birthday people.
And have fun on your birthdays.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite te wiki. See ya next week.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay off the grass, Winton School.